please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Moving to the multi-cap category. So the multi-cap category, obviously, I don't think there are any definitions. I mean, a fund manager can go across market capitalizations. It can have as much of a skew towards any type of stocks, right?
That's right. That's right. So it's purely going to be on the basis of where the manager's comfort lies. And where he sees probably better stocks or better valuations, he can move across that. But again, there also you will have certain managers who would be more focused towards a particular capitalization or segment because they've been running that portfolio like that in the past. They don't want to shock their existing investors. They might make marginal changes. One of the examples, for instance, is the MIRAE Asset India Equity Fund, which was the MIRAE India Opportunities Fund earlier. That has always had a large cap bias. It's going to continue, though it falls into the multi-cap category. Another name that comes to mind is the Franklin India, which is the Franklin India Prima Plus, which is now the Franklin India Equity. Again, Anand runs that with largely large cap bias, and it's going to continue. As opposed to some of the other funds that would fall in this category, say for instance the DSP India Equity Fund, which is going to be a more pure play multi-cap where the manager will look at opportunities across capitalizations and move across. So I think that's again just reiterating that again that investors need to, in some of these slightly more open-ended categories, just try to understand what each manager is doing in terms of his style or the capitalization bias.
Earlier, we were also talking about the SBI fund. Missed that one out. So the SBI Global. Now that's a global fund that we're talking about. What are the changes in this one?
So the SBI Global, as it was called earlier, was essentially looking at quality mid-cap names, and that's really the way the fund was being run for many years now. Now it's going to be more an MNC focused fund. So that's a little bit of a more focused strategy that's coming. While elements obviously were already being invested into, but now it's purely sort of an MNC fund. So that's one change